makers, it's Charlotte with Makesy. Today, I'm here to introduce you to your new best friend, the Ultimate Wick. The name says it all. These wicks really are the ultimate solution to wicking your candles. If you have been using wooden wicks for a long time or you've never used them before, you're gonna love this wick either way. We have been testing this wick tirelessly for the last 2 years in order to find the cleanest burning, most consistent, best performing wooden wick that has ever hit the market. And here it is. I'll walk you through the top 3 benefits and reasons why you are going to love this wick. Benefit number 1, these wicks are very consistent. We tested these wicks side by side against cotton wicks, single ply wooden wicks, and booster wooden wicks. And these wicks are awesome. So you can probably see there's a really cool channel in the center of these wicks. What this channel does is it helps the wax and the fragrance to flow up the wick. And that channel is gonna control the flow of your fuel. So what does that mean? In testing side by side against the booster wicks, our Ultimate wooden wicks had a 26% improvement in consistency of flame height. So you are gonna see a very consistent burn performance from burn to burn, wax to wax, fragrance to fragrance. These wicks are very controlled and very consistent. Benefit number 2, these wicks are super duper clean burning. Wooden wicks are already clean burning, right? Most of you know that. These wicks are all natural, made from FSC certified wood, so they're also sustainably made. But wooden wicks are super clean burning. They have almost no carbon buildup, no soot. So when I say these are clean burning, you know these are really clean burning. We're talking microparticles here. In testing side by side against the booster wicks, the Ultimate wooden wicks had a 75% reduction in visible soot. That's pretty amazing. Let's move on to benefit number 3. You will find testing these wicks to be a breeze. Ultimate wicks are easy to use and will make it easy for you to find the best wick for your wax, fragrance, and vessel combination. These wicks work across every wax type, every fragrance, and every candle diameter. So there absolutely is a wick solution for you when using the Ultimate wooden wicks. Head to our wick selection guide for personalized recommendations on which wick is the best one for you to use. If you're transitioning from another wooden wick to the Ultimate wooden wick, check out our video on how to transition from booster wicks to Ultimate wicks for our specialized recommendations for you. And there you have it. These wicks really are the best wooden wicks to ever hit the market. We can't wait for you to try them. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now go make it happen.